Hey guys, so today for me is the final exam day. So finally I got to the end of the semester and I have two exams actually today. I already talked about algorithm concept with you, but also I have programming exam as well. I'm getting ready for it, but I wanted to share a quick thing about the algorithm first, then about the programming. So I was just like reviewing. I want to share like quick part of the algorithm. One of the part which is like nice, understandable, and it's related to the network. So let's check it out.
This part is actually the graph algorithm part, but it's called network flow. So there are different type of networks flows. So and you need to find the maximum flow or the mean cut. There are like different concepts over here, but it is kind of understandable to find which flows better go from where and how can we maximize and optimize the flows and to find the maximum flow in this network, which is really definitely useful for networking connectivities, that and networking reliabilities and different like things that we have in computer science. The network of the data and everything is really useful. But there was an amazing like interesting question that I came across in the Stack Overflow website. It was like uh, finding optimal way to solve multiple source and multiple sync flow networks. The thing that we studied in the class, but with the networks, that there is just one source and one sink, but there are some questions that there are multiple sink and source. But it is pretty easy, when you find out the question answer and you understand it. That's pretty easy and give you different aspect, different view of the questions and problems. And the only thing that you need to do is to consider a synthetic or dummy single source and a synthetic sink. Connect all the sources to that actually synthetic source and connect all the sinks to that synthetic sink, and you can just solve the question and become single source and single sink.
So I know these things were kind of like very specific and kind of technical about computer, but the thing is, I just want to share with you for those who are interested in it, and just give the idea that there are some very simple and understandable uh, solutions for the problem that you're facing, and the only thing that you need to do is to look at the problem from different aspect and point of view, and it will be very understandable and easy to solve. So it's really helpful to make our mind a problem solver.